737 Sagamore Bay Court. So we are in a gated community. There is a gate right there. Unfortunately, the GPS took me to the other one. It's a bit of a drive once you're inside the community. But at the other entrance, there is a pool, a community pool, a jungle gym playground thing, and a splash pad. There's a couple satellite dishes on the back. So this property would be 100% repaint, but it has a lot of other things going for it. Like these blinds at the entrance, they are the correct blinds that we like to use. Granite counters, space saver microwave, upgraded cabinets, gooseneck faucet, undermount sink. Those are all really great things to have. Plus, we have a completely finished backyard. Okay, other than the fact that there's no patio cover, and this side will get a lot of sun, we have a concrete slab, rocks, looks really great. So right now we're at 2 blinds and a vertical. 2 large blinds, vertical. So a little closet right off of the garage entry. This light's not turning on. Okay, well. Need a shower head. Just take all this stuff off, which will be done during the repaint. Repaint these cabinets or maybe clean them. Carpet looks like it's been through a lot. It's about $1.50 a square foot to replace it, so I would say let's plan on replacing it. This door is really dirty, it should be repainted. So we have a fully insulated water heater, some sort of RO system or water softener system over there. And the garage door opener looks a little busted. I'm not going to test it. That's something you would do at inspection. So hole in the wall here. The railing looks overall nice, just dirty. Decent sized room with good blinds. This is a shared bathroom between 2 bedrooms. Need a shower rod. There is a towel holder. There's a hole there. Okay. If we can't find a globe for that one, hopefully we can. We'd have to replace both light fixtures otherwise. Yeah, I'm gonna say probably replace all the carpet. These blinds look good. We need to replace this with tile. Jeez. Just remove these brown ones. Let's go ahead and replace that mirror. More damage to the carpet, but again, at about $1.50 a square foot, it's not an incredibly large investment, especially since we have tile downstairs. We need to add tile in here as well. Laundry room upstairs, yay. Blinds look good. The place is flooring with tile. And that's about it.